In 1963, 15 masked men pulled off what became known as the crime of the century. The Great Train robbery wasn't just luck. It was 6 months of meticulous planning. They had inside information from a postal worker. They knew exactly when the Royal Mail train would be carrying 2.6 million pounds in cash. On a quiet August night, they set up fake red signals on the tracks in rural England. The train stopped. The crew was overpowered. In just 15 minutes, they loaded bag after bag of money into waiting trucks. The heist was flawless. No one was seriously hurt. The thieves vanished without a trace. But then they made a fatal mistake. At their hideout farmhouse, they got bored waiting for the heat to die down. So they played Monopoly. With real stolen money, they left fingerprints everywhere. On the game board, on beer bottles, all over the farmhouse. The perfect crime destroyed by a board game. Within months, most of the gang was behind bars.